So guys, now that I have mapped a room, in fact, you can map a even larger space than just a room. I will be able to place some furniture. So let's do that now. Close minimap. Close minimap.
Closed minimap.
So for example, what if I want to add a rack? So once I tap on it, a rack would be spawned, and then I just need to tap and place it somewhere. So for example, I can place it by the wall over there, just in front of the window. And as you can see here, I can take a look in my room, see how it looks, and I can rotate it around a bit if I don't like the angle that I put it in. But of course, in this case, I think I lined it up pretty well against the wall already. Let's add another piece of furniture. Let's add a chair. I don't have too much space left. Ideally, you know, for planning, you would want to have your room starting out in an empty condition. That way, there's no doubt that you can fit more furniture in it. In this case, the room is already kind of full, so you know, I guess I wouldn't have so much room to put in new furniture right now. So open minimap. Open minimap.
Opened minimap. It's placed near the minimap cube.
So again, as you can see in this minimap, the rack and the chair were both placed by the wall, and I can also do some moving around, which I'll demonstrate a bit later. Close minimap.
Closed minimap.
Next, I want to show you guys how to load something from file. So switch source,